Well, hey everybody, this is Gretchen the Green Lady, and on today's episode, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful fresh green arrangement and maybe use some items that you have around your yard or some close by properties. I know I asked a neighbor too if I could have a snip of some cedar and a snip of some different kinds of greens that we have growing around here. So stay tuned and let's see how we do this. But before I continue, I wanted to encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to me on my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook, like, comment, share. I'm on Pinterest now, and I also have a Gretchen the Green Lady website. So all these videos will be on there with great ideas for you, and I would love for you to share what maybe you have created from watching my videos. If you've done a fresh arrangement or if you've planted some things, hopefully you'll duplicate or try to create your own planter with fresh greens. So stay tuned and see what we do. So here are my ribbons and artificial flowers with my other supplies that you will need. I have some wire cutters, pruners, wire, electrical tape, and scissors. And of course my greens, my magnolia greens, which I just found in the woods near my location, some loblolly pine or long leaf pines, the pretty long needles, and some cedar, which I just got a few sprigs from my neighbor. Next, I placed a 5-gallon bucket inside my large blue vase. But on top of that, I got a bucket of soapy water to put my greens in, and that soapy water will help the greens last longer. So then I wrapped heavy-duty black plastic around my bucket to keep it stable, because your greens will be heavy and they may tip. You want them good and stable. I then took black electrical tape and made a grid across the top of my bucket, so that it was easier for my greens to stand. But my husband also encouraged that I run a band of electrical tape around the outside top to hold down those grid pieces as well. Now, I placed my magnolia leaves in first. They tend to fill up the base and hide it a little faster. But then I added my sprigs of cedar and my loblolly pine. And you want to mix them in your container evenly. You don't want all of one kind at the back. So I tried to mix as evenly and beautifully as I could, finding the prettiest leaves that don't have any blemish. And so my cedar sprigs are evenly distributed throughout my arrangement. And I'll still tuck a few more in as we create. So on my arrangement, I decided to add these 3 beautiful brown palm pods. It just was a nice warm contrast. But again, as you can see, I dispersed my greens evenly in my arrangement. So here we have our beautiful fresh arrangement. There are some artificial items in here, but I went ahead and added some contrast or some more textured, beautiful pine cones. These are pods from our palm trees. Who knew? So this has been Gretchen the Green Lady, and I hope that you'll try this for your home. And don't forget to look for our Christmas arrangement from last year. And we also did a small arrangement, then we did a table arrangement. We also did a beautiful table setting. So go ahead and look for me on GretchenTheGreenLady.com, my website, and find all these wonderful things on YouTube and Facebook. And I hope that you have a wonderful and a very, very merry and blessed Christmas.